Hello, my people. How are you guys doing? How was your week? I'm doing good. So, if you watched my previous video, I got this gimbal as a gift, and I didn't show you how it actually works or how it actually looks while someone is using it. Maybe most of you have an idea, but if you don't, this is how it looks. It really makes work easy, and you just hold it like that. It has a few more settings. You can tilt it, like, honestly, so many angles, and it really does a very good job. So I'll be using this almost all the time, as opposed to just using my hand to hold the phone. So I'm headed to the salon. Don't mind my crooked bun. It will just be inaenda kutolewa sai tu. So I'll also be going to fix my nails. It's one of those times, like this is like the second time I'm going to the salon when my all my nails are still intact, like hakuna yenye imetokana hata moja. So what I've realized is refills makes my nails stay for long, because I did this set as a fresh set early January, and then 2 weeks later I wanted to change the nails. The nail tech advised me to do a refill, and it was refilled. 2 weeks again from there, another refill, and it has never come out. I used to hate refills because I used to assume that my nails are already weak, so if they just refill it, what happens? It will just come out easy. But I've actually, for me, it works because I clean a lot, and going to the salon with all my nails still intact, it is something. So I'm also going to fix my hair, and I'll just show you the outcome way later. So I'm wearing this dress from Vivo. It has another, I have another one in orange. I'm really a big shopper of Vivo. Let me just show you my full look. Let me go a bit behind. Bado sijazoea kuitwist, but once I get used to, it will just be flowing. So let me try again, so that I can just be doing this smoothly for you guys. So the shoes are also a gift, and I'm like wearing it for the first time. Feels good to wear your gifts. Yeah, so I think we are getting it. So that's the work of the gimbal, and see you later, guys.
For my pedicure, I did the World Under Your Feet pedicure from Lux, and it felt so good. They started by applying this turmeric mixture, and my legs were gently scrubbed, and it felt so great. I really love this pedicure because it always takes a very long time, and the legs feel slight at the end. And then there was this point where I immersed my legs in this jelly-like mixture, and it's like soaking your legs in like a water bath, but a different thing. And then you wear these, I call them a pepper gumboot that soaks your legs as well. And the best part definitely was the massage. It took so long, like it was like almost 10 to 15 minutes of massaging my legs up all the way. I haven't shown all the parts. And then they ended up by using this metal like thing that has, or metal like roller that is quite a bit warm or hot. They roll it on your toes, and it feels so good. I went for mauve with a bit of gold. These were my hand nail inspos, but as usual I went for a plain color. I don't know why I don't like experimenting on colors.
This is the hair that I went for. It's pushback, and then at the end I finished. It was finished with ombre, blue and gray at the end, like that. So that is it. So now the problem with this style is that inafanya masikio zangu zikae hivi. But I can comfortably work with this because it really took a very short time uh, getting this hair done, and like around 2 hours. And again, I go to the gym so oftenly, so I don't need to stress so much about getting so much sweat. Maintaining it is so easy. And now the problem is I'll need to go to the back to the salon very soon, but that is it. So today I want to work on this wardrobe. It's not like it is entirely disorganized, but it has a bit of issues. Like if you look here, you will notice there's just something wrong. Like over here, there are these drawers here that I don't know what they're doing with the sweaters. And then this is a bit better, but when you come here, there's this unfolded shirt over here. There are so many things which are a bit disorganized out of me maybe dressing up in a hurry kuzitoanisha na kurusha hapa na pale. And then when we come down here, you will see these jeans here with the cargo pants, and yet the jeans are, and then there are things that I want to move like in front for them to be accessible, because there are clothes which are here and others are behind. So I'll work on this shortly with you guys. Again, I have a pile of clothes right there. Like I've been procrastinating on them for like 3 weeks now. They have really become so many, so I'll have to fold them. And then now later on we're going to organize the wardrobe. I don't want to take you through all the each cloth folding bit. I'll just fold a few with you guys, and then we organize them together. So normally I'll fold them from the bed, ensure that the bed has no clothes so that I can have enough space for folding large things like bed sheets and towels and things like that. And then I spread bed sheet or any kind of sheet on the floor that's clean, and organize clothes on that sheet. And that makes it easy for me to use both spaces, and also just put everything together, so that when it comes to organization, I'll just be picking them up and putting them straight into the wardrobe. Yeah, so let's start by folding, and then we move quickly to organization.
I'm done folding. So these are the piles of clothes that I've already folded. The ones that I'm going to hang, I'll hang them once I'm done organizing. So folding has really taken quite a long time. But I didn't even realize that I was actively folding because I was watching the current famous Risatisa story on Who the Fuck Did I Marry on TikTok. I don't know whether you guys know about it, but that is what has taken me through. So, time to organize. So, we're gonna start with this part. So, I'll just remove it, reorganize them, and then take them back, and then we move to each of these. This one will take a very short time. The hardest part is always folding. So, let's start organizing. everything is going so well. But sasa nimefikia zile nguo za kusumbua, like look at this one. How do you organize these chiffon like clothes? However how much I'll fold them, they will still look like they have not been folded. But let me just try and squeeze them. I hope haitaharibu look ya the entire outcome. Let me finish up. Now, this is another reason why I had to reorganize the entire wardrobe, because look at this area over here. Like you can see, there's this paper for tissue that I left it here. Actually, I don't know when I had left this one here because don't stay there, and then things are just not right there. So I use these baskets to organize my throw blankets, extra throw pillows, and a few other items that I don't want them to be on the other side or any other part of the wardrobe. So before I proceed to organize these hangers, I don't have so many clothes for the hangers, just a few. Let me first put my extra bed sheets, duvet covers, mattress covers up there, and then we proceed and finish this part. And I'll take you through the entire wardrobe, and then we will be done.
that is it, guys, and honestly I'm so tired. I've been doing this for the last 3 hours, back to back to back, because I didn't want to postpone it again. Feels good to see it organized. So let me just take you through what you guys have seen right now. So up here, over here, this is where I put my towels, and then this space over here, sweaters and the pajama sets, the cotton pajama sets are also here. Over here you can tell that this one is like my favorite, or this is the type of clothes that I mostly have, the chiffon like clothes and all these dinner dresses. Mostly actually it's the chiffon like, because zimeja huko hivi nyuma. And then these are my deras, all of them. And then now I think this is like the favorite again part, because organizing this is so easy, and trousers as well, compared to this one take a very short time to organize and it looks so neat. So all these are my shirts, like normal t-shirts, and over here gym t-shirts. And then when we come down here, this is where I put my trousers, jeans, palazzo at the back, some more tights here for the gym, of course the gym tops, they're called book tops for the gym here. And then at the back here is where I put my chiffon tops, the tops that take so long or they refuse to fold. They are back here, wacha zijifiche hapo, but leo zimebehave kidogo. And then let's come to the drawers down here. So on this first drawer, this is where I organize my knickers, my bra, all these are my bikini wear, and then or swimming wear. And then over here, these ones are my caps, like the bonnets za kulala, more bras, stocking leg. Unajua kuna nywele yenye it can only be tied using this, and then you put this one on top, so that's a stocking over there. Over here, handkerchief and some extra towels. So that's all that I just put there. And then on this part, it's not so neat, so like socks, extra warm socks for the house, normal socks, and belts. This is where I put this. So at the top here is where I place my extra beddings, bed sheets, mattress cover, ribbon cover, pillow covers, all that. And then this is where I hang short jackets, shirts, all the short things over here. And then down here, like I said, is where I store my throw blankets, extra throw pillows, and any other thing that I don't want it to be up there. So let's move to this side. This one is an extra duvet. Like this drawer only keeps my things. So any other thing for the other bedrooms is in the other bedroom. So, and then very long things like this kimono, robes, and sleeping robes. That is what I hang over here. So we're done with. I'm going to wash the microwave, and I'm going to use lemon, dishwashing soap, and water. So I'll start by squeezing the lemon to get the juice, add water and dishwashing soap, then let it sit or boil for at least 5 minutes in the microwave. And once it has boiled, I'll leave it for another 5 minutes, just to ensure that all the steam gets all around, and especially inside the perforation, to remove the grease and the oils that might have sticked in there. And then I'll remove the glass and the ring, wipe the microwave up, and go in and rinse it with a clean rag, just to ensure that there's no soap left behind. Wash the plate and the ring, and then return it, and we will be done. So let's do this together. 5 minutes for boiling and the other 5 minutes for letting the steam settle. So let's open and remove our mixture. So just ensure that you use a rag to avoid getting burns. So I'm going to use the same mixture I'll just put it in this basin and then use it to wash the inner part. Lemon is a very good antibacterial disinfectant, and it's gonna help remove all the bacteria, and the soap just helps to ensure that the inner part is well cleaned up. Just one last thing, that solution doesn't remove rust, it removes grease and all that. But if you can look clearly, my microwave has a bit of rust. That is just an issue with the microwave, and the solution won't clear it. Nope. So today is a family fun day, kind of a day for us, and like I told you guys, we decided that every almost like twice a month or at least once a week we will be going somewhere to just have fun. Like the days of the week are so busy, and if we can just find one day to do something, we really take that. So I'm here with my sister, and I'm also going to pick another sister and a cousin of mine and another one. So some of them don't want to be seen, but I'll just show you wenye hawana shida na kuonekana. And so right now I'm just going to pick my sister, and then we will pass maybe by Ruby's Enjoy and pick some snacks and water, and then we will be going to the location. So it's a place that most of you might even be aware of. We will show you the activities that we will be doing, the prices, and of course the location as well. So I'll see you guys there in a few. So actually, I forgot to tell you guys. So today we've gone with Sky. That's our cat. Tumembebea kila kitu that she might need while we are outside. We have done this before, and we know it's not so hard actually going with her. And I'm also wearing an Arsenal jersey. So once we get there, you will just see the full look. This is my team, and lazima watu wajue. And we've also managed to shop from Bunjua, the Total shop. Now we're headed to the location. We should be there in like 30 to 45 minutes. Around 4. We are hoping that we underestimated our timing, so we're hoping that we'll be able to do a couple of activities, if not everything, because time will definitely catch up with us. So let the fun begin.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
So guys, tumemaliza, and as you can see it's dark, but we've been able to do whatever you've just seen. But I'll just give you a few recommendations. It's so cold, it's freezing cold, like freezing. So sisi tulikuwa to set up picnic na easy, but tukuweza juu ya time tumeenda kujifunika because it's actually we are feeling cold even with these kwanza yangu ni mzito and it's cold. Another recommendation is the ropes that are in the let me say in the games, they are quite harsh on your hands, so if you can come with gloves and well gripping shoes. Kama unaweza badala ya kuja na viatu kama hizi hapana, come with good like sport shoes or some good gym shoes that have a very good grip so that you can have an easy time. And then another thing, come very early so that you can go through all the activities. We didn't do the zip line, we didn't do level 2 and level 3 of what we did, so you can just come early and you're gonna enjoy it. So I think that is it, and yeah, I'll see you on the next trip. So it's in the morning and I'm headed to the gym. This is one of those days where I go to the gym very early in the morning, something that I want to have it as part of my habit, because once I go to the gym in the morning, I feel so good, and the rest of my day is actually left for other things, because sometimes if I don't go to the gym mapema, I love to fix time during the day or go for aerobics in the evening. I don't know whether you guys really go to the gym. Do you go to the gym? Kitambo kabisa, I used to think that the gym is for, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to say that anything about people who are a bit plus size, but I used to think that the gym is for people who want to lose weight only. Like that was the only thing the gym is meant for. really take time to realize that the gym is for everyone, and it's so good. It's so good for your physical health, for your mental health, for your activeness. Like it just, especially once you get used to working out it doesn't just have to be the gym. It could be your cycling, it could be your running, it just could be anything that keeps your body fit or makes you work out. And yeah, so it helps you during the day, it keeps you energized, it makes you fit, flexible, and all that. So today I'm going to do my upper body workout, and it's the last day of the week where I'm going to the gym. It's actually the fourth day this week of me going to the gym, and the last day as well. I always want to go at least for 4 days or 5 days at max. So four is equally just good. So I'm going to do upper body workouts, and let me just take you with me shortly. I'll just show you a few parts of it. So that is it for the gym, guys. I am a bit tired and hungry at the same time. A mistake I did while I was waking up, I didn't prepare anything. I didn't take a banana, no shake, no nothing. I think next time I'll do better. I'll be preparing maybe a smoothie, a shake, maybe granola, just something light to give me energy before I finish the workouts. By the time I was finishing the last workouts, nilikuwa nasikia niko nauseated, and that's quite bad. So I'll be preparing something just to ensure that I have energy to finish the workouts, especially on some days like when there's some workouts which are a bit more intense than others. So it's good that I remember to prepare something. So maybe something else that I should do is I went to the gym at 7 a.m. And now that means I'll not be going with some of my family members because most of them are students. Like this, they are basically my siblings or our siblings. So I'll be going quite early so that they also go and still manage to go for their morning classes. So that is it. I apart from being hungry and tired, I feel good that I went to the gym in the morning and I want to really make it my daily habits. Like at least I should be going around 5 a.m. or at least 6 if I want to make it by 5. Yeah, so I wanted to appreciate you guys for watching this video to the end. Thank you so much for being part of this Turkana growing channel. I really and genuinely from the bottom of my heart appreciate all of you. Have a good day, enjoy your week from whatever time you're watching this. Just have a good one.